Hey, I also wanted to show you or highlight that these tabs might look different to you. These are the tabs that were always at the top pre-2025 version, and I prefer them. They do have a basic modeling tools tab now that combines these two tabs, the sketch and the features. I just like to have them the way I'm used to them and the way that I have used them for, the last 10, 15 years. So you might see these tabs being different than what you have. And you can also change that by selecting or right clicking anywhere in the open gray space and then going to tabs, and then you can say which ones you want to have. This actually on this computer that I have in my office is still 2024 version, so you don't even see the basic modeling tab here, but it should look the same as yours or be a function the same as yours, and you can switch these around how you like them. To make sure you have the tabs you need. And in fact, for this class, you don't even need most of these other ones. So just having the feature and the sketch is enough for this class if you'd like to clean this up. All right, see you later.